Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel, Study with Soumya. Hope you all are extremely well. So in this video, we are going to talk about two amazing opportunities. One is from TCS and another one we'll be talking further in the video. But before proceeding further in the video, make sure to subscribe this channel. If you haven't subscribed till now, this channel is going to be helpful for you. So do subscribe as if it is going to motivate me as well to make more such videos for you. Also turn on the bell icon so that you get the notification whenever we are uploading any video regarding that. Also be a part of our Telegram channel. The link for the Telegram channel is given in the description itself. Well, in this video, let's talk about our first opportunity, that is from TCS, right? TCS NQT. So next exam cycle, December 2021 to March 2022, application are open. So about TCS NQT. So TCS NQT is a multi-level assessment to assess the following competencies and skills. So here you can see competencies on the core cognitive processes required for entry-level jobs, industry-specific knowledge and insight, specialization on skills required to perform various job roles. So first of all, there will be cognitive skill test, that is NQT. Then attitudinal alignment NQT score will be there. Industry NQT score will be there. Subject NQT will be regarding your knowledge of programming and all. So about the test, so NQT cognitive skills is a prerequisite for all the tests. So it is mandatory to give. 2-year validity will be provided of the NQT score, and it will be conducted online at home and physical in center at TCS ION authorized exam center. So according to your comfort, either you can choose at home or in center. Candidate with NQT score will be eligible to apply on the TCS ION job portal. Apply for any entry level role in any corporate with the NQT score. Now who can apply? So UG, PG and diploma students in their final year, in their pre-final year and final year. So 2022 batches eligible, right? And 2023 batches eligible. So this is for pre-final and final year. The students with any degree and specialization, freshers with less than 2 years of experience. So if you're a fresher having less than 2 years of experience, even you can apply, right? So even you can apply, like if you are from 21 batch, you can apply. If you're from 2020 batch, you can apply if you are having less than 2 years of experience. Now, practice tests will also be provided to you. 4 practice tests, that is 2 for cognitive skill and 2 for IT programming, are available with 5 attempts each, so that they are available. Now NQT cognitive score is a maximum for all the tests. Now if you want to get into IT, then obviously subject NQT will be important. Then NQT and subject on QT is must to give if you want to get a IT related job. But let me tell you that this is not going to be an official hiring from TCS. What I mean by this is that it's not guaranteed that TCS is going to hire you from this NQT. It will be just the partner companies that are listed on TCS ION platform. They'll be calling you, they'll be hiring you on the basis of your TCS NQT score. But as such, there is nowhere mentioned that this is a guaranteed hiring from the TCS side, right? So if you are interested, then obviously go for this opportunity for this TCS NQT test. And obviously that will help you to evaluate yourself regarding your NQT cognitive skills preparation and this programming preparation as well, right? So the link for the same is provided in the description itself. Let's talk about our next opportunity. So this is our next opportunity, as you can see right now. Okay, so here they are basically hiring for software engineer. So this opportunity is from Eka Software Solution. The job role for which they are hiring for is software engineer. This opportunity is for fresher. For Java Angular role, they are hiring. The location mentioned in Bangalore, Karnataka, full time. So here is a sort of description given regarding the company, that Eka Software Solution is the #1 commodity management platform in the world. Eka is the global leader in providing digital commodity management solutions driven by cloud, blockchain, machine learning, and analytics. The company's best of breed solutions of the entire trading value chain across agriculture, energy, metals, and mining. The title is software engineer. Responsibilities, so let's go through it. So this is the fresher role. So if you are from 21 batch, 20 batch, you can apply for this opportunity. So design and development of software component based on requirements and application features based on technical design. Based on functional specification, and the high level design provides ongoing support in terms of fixing of issues reported by clients, as well as working on enhancement, change request, right? As if this is mentioned. contribute to software estimation, create technical documents for the enhancement change requests that are being developed, perform root cause analysis and unit test, ensuring high quality of fixes, supporting clients across different geographies, able to contribute towards the product stability by bringing new ideas and approach, good knowledge on review process and software development's best practice, creating configuration, build and test skills for continuous integration environments, cooperating with a backend developer in the process of building the RESTful API, performance enhancement on web page load and execution, tech skills, J2EE skills, JSP, Servlet, JDBC, EJB, HTML, JavaScript, HTML, CSS, Angular. Now, here's a note as well provided that based on the candidate performance, she will be assigned to Java or Angular project. So for applying, simply you have to click on apply now. Now here, first of all, you have to submit your application by, first of all, here you have to upload your resume. And here you have to provide all the information that they have asked regarding your name, email, mobile, phone, gender, date of birth, other social network and web links also they're asking for. If you have any, you can provide the same. Right, other information is also given here. That is, let's suppose if you are working in some other company, then what is the notice period and all these things that you can mention, and then you have to submit that application. Right, so these were two opportunities for all of you. I hope that you have found this video useful, and make sure to hit the like button if you like this video. Also share the video among your friends as well, so that even they can know about this opportunity. And at the last, don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys. Keep learning, keep preparing. Bye bye.